Hello ladies and gentlemen, hello YouTube. Today I'm experiencing a very big problem. I wanted to make a cake. So I'm gonna show you my problem and I'm gonna show you the solution to it. Please be patient and be gentle on me because this is the first video in my kitchen edition, right? So please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Of course, if you like it. I hope you like it. Yeah. I'll see you in a couple of minutes, okay? Till then.
1, 2, 3, go!
So as I said before, I wanted to make a fruit cake. Now I have a bunch of cherries. But I must somehow clean them. I must pick them. What should I do? With a knife? It can take a long time to do it. So I made my research and I find out that with a stick, chopstick or some piece of wood or some thin piece of wood and a bottle of beer that you just drank, you could make a very good job. I'll show you in a minute. So it is so easy that I'm going to do it actually with one hand. Take a look. So you put your cherry in your bottle, stick your stick in here and just press it hard and gentle, both at the same time. And you see what's happening? I've just picked a cherry. Up! Wowzer! Pitting was never so easy. So once again, whoopah! Ooh, miss. It's actually a little bit hard to do it with one hand. Oh yeah, it's out. Next one. Yeah! Very, very easy. Very easy. So, you have to take your cherry, put it on the bottle, use your stick to press out that seed. You see how easy that was? Once again, press it out. It's clean. Another one. And see how fast that goes. Oops, stubborn one. I wanted to share this technique with you. I didn't actually invent this technique. I saw it somewhere, but it really works very good and it's really helpful. And it could save you a lot of time. See? I just wanted to share this information, this really valuable information with you. So I hope I was able to help just a little bit. See? It's really cool to do. So, girls and guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel where you can find a lot more stuff. Oops. Ooh, that's right. Okay, I won't touch you anymore. Please don't be mad at me, okay? So, girls and guys, until the next video, stay well, bye bye.